Hello guys, welcome back to Special Creations by Nelly. Before I start into this new DIY, I just want to say thank you so much. Thank you for liking. Thank you for supporting this page. We just reached 8,000 subscribers. Yay! And I'm so excited for you guys. We almost got 10K and I cannot wait for my 10K subscribers. I'm excited. I have so many ideas for you guys. So please keep liking and sharing this page if you want me to create more, because when I create and I don't see the like and I don't see nothing, I think you guys are liking the videos. So please, if you see my videos and you like it, just hit the little like button. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly. And with that said, let's just get started into this new DIY video. The first thing you're going to do is just go ahead and grab your candle holder and then just put some hot glue on top and place the vase on top just like that to attach it together. Go ahead and grab your rope, and these rope you can find it as Dollar Tree. All of these you can find it in Dollar Tree. So grab your hot glue and just go ahead and put some hot glue and attach it to your glass. You're gonna continue doing this, putting the hot glue and going all the way around. You're gonna do 5 rope line of the rope just like that until you do like go around 5 times just like that, and make sure to close it together so you don't leave no gap in between, and it will leave you with a glass just like that. Super cute, you guys. Then I went ahead and grabbed some of these rocks in Dollar Tree. What I'm going to do next is go ahead and place it inside. You could buy different colors here, whatever designs or color you're doing, and this is how cute everything turns out. You could put different colors candle inside, and I'm pretty sure it will look super cute. This came out so cute, you guys. I hope you guys like it. Let me know what you guys think. So for the next DIY, what I did was just grab these little containers. They have it in Dollar Tree. Then just go ahead and put some hot glue at the top and place it on top to hold them together just like that. And there you have your base. So then went ahead and grabbed some of these floral foams and just place it on top. At the end, I only end up using 2 just like that. I grabbed some tape, and I'm just gonna go ahead and place the tape all around it. And the reason for me doing this is to hold the flower, to better hold the flower once you put the flower, because the container is like very wide and big. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put a lot of tape all around it until I'm done doing the whole thing all around it, just like that. Then once you're done, just go ahead and grab your flowers and just place it inside just like that. And you're going to continue doing this, placing the flowers inside your floral base until you doing the whole thing. Here you can decide which style, what flower you would like. I will put the link down below where you can get these beautiful flowers. And here is your own style and how you would like it to be. This is how I think it was coming out, super cute. This is more like a Thanksgiving theme, but you could do anything that you would like for birthday, for the home decor, and more. So I'm just gonna go ahead and continue doing and putting my flowers until I'm done doing the whole thing. Then once I'm done, I just grab these little lights, very cute, that they have in Dollar Tree. Just put it inside your base, and then just put it all the way around it. And look how cute this light looks, super cute, guys. I really recommend this. I didn't even know they have this in Dollar Tree, and I loved it. And this is how beautiful it turns out. Super cute, you guys. I'm also going to show you these as a table setup. It's not already done completely, but this is how it would look. I just put the plate just like that to give you an idea of things that you can do with this decor. It looked super cute. I hope you guys like it. Let's not forget to hit and like and subscribe. I will be posting every week, so please hit that little bell button so you can get notified every time I post a new video. Please let me know what you guys think. If you like it, what will you do different? Comment down below, please, and like and share so people can see more of my decorations. Thank you again for watching Special Creations by Nelly.